Meaning of I should. আমার কিছু করা উচিত, তাই না? So we will learn some sentences with I should. I should দিয়ে আমরা কিছু সেন্টেন্স শিখব। So একটা প্যারাগ্রাফের মতো শিখি। First of all you say I am, যার যার নাম বলবো, বলো I am good. I am sick. Okay. I should go to the doctor. I should take my medicine. I should eat healthy food. I should take rest now. Have your seat. সবাই rest নিবো. Have your seat. Rest now. Okay? And the last one. I should sleep. সবাই ঘুমায় যায়. Wake up now. Okay, thank you. আরেকবার পড়বো, হ্যাঁ? এবার সবাই দাঁড়াবো, again stand up. I am. Okay. I am sick. I should go to the doctor. I should take medicine. I should eat healthy food. I should take rest now. Bosho, have your seat. I should sleep.
Wake up.
Thank you. Say bye-bye.